YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to fix your flap down plug if it's not charging or having a bad contact. Sometimes when you plug it in and then plug into the outlet and your charger, it shows green and then no amber light. That means you have a bad contact with the charger, or you're having a dirty plug. Okay, your plug could be have a corrosion or have some kind of dirt and grimes. You need to use the alcohol to make it wet and use your old toothbrush and then clean it. So today's main concern is with this plug. As you can see, it is pretty loose, and sometimes when you plug in the outlet, you slide down. Okay. So I got the new plug right here. It has a very tight fit. See? It's supposed to fit like that. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to fix that issue, okay? You need like a Phillips screwdriver and then a flathead screwdriver. First of all, you need to try to flap this down, and then there are two other screws. Phillips screw right here. You need to remove those two Phillips screws. Make sure you press down firmly and then unscrew it. You don't want to strip it. So I had to use this flathead screwdriver and then get in between that gap and then jam it and then yank it out. So once you yank it out, you gotta remove it slowly. Okay, there's a little tab right here. You don't want to break it off, so make sure you just lift it up straight. And there's this plastic right here. Make sure you don't lose it, okay? I'm gonna leave it like that. And this is the tip and trick part right here. You need to use your Phillips screwdriver, jam it in there, and then pry outward, okay? Be sure you know where that black dot that indicator is on outer edge. There's another dot right there. At first I thought that was like a burn mark, but it's not. So these are the two contacts that goes in there. Okay. And you want to use like a plier to pinch this two in, make it tighter. You see that circle? Okay. Well, you try to use your hand first. If not, then use a plier to make a more tight fit. Let me go get my plier. But don't try to make it too tight, or you will not go into those two prongs, okay? You're gonna having trouble and problem. So you just want a gentle squeeze. Oops. Yeah, try to squeeze it. Then maybe try to do a test fit. So yeah, it fits there much tighter now. I don't know why it's not focusing here. Yeah, this one's too tight right now. So it's too tight. Try to use this screwdriver. Jam it open. Use your Phillip. There you go. So make sure you know the correct way to put it back in again. The dot is facing the outward, okay? Just jam into the hole, to those hole right there. Push in. Make sure the clip is above this plastic, or else you cannot push in. And if somehow the flip is not contact this two gold contacts, you could try to use the screwdriver, the flathead, and kind of yank it upward, so you could have a better contact. Okay. So yeah, make sure you put that tab in there first, the screw right there. And then put back the screws. Okay. So it's much better. I'm gonna plug in right now and then test out the charger. Turn green, amber, green, amber. So now it's charging the battery. Okay, it's flashing, that means charging. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And hopefully this will fix your Apple MacBook or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro charger. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.